MA640 series. Okay, indoor fixed installation LED display, and it is designed with a golden ratio. Okay, it's 4:3, and the cabinet size is 640 times 480 millimeters. It is especially designed for a variety of 4:3 and 16:9 LED large screens. Okay, and the LED modules are magnetic, and the size is 320 times 160. Let's open the LED modules. It is magnetic, so I can just remove it with my single hand. Let's see. Here, if you got tools, and it's gonna be more convenient, and it's gonna save your time and your cost. Okay, so let's see the structure of this cabinet. So this is the structure of MA640 series. Okay, let's see. Here we got locks. We got different locks for different applications or installations. And the next one is we got power supply receiving card. And here let's take a look. We did not design this angle with right angle because it won't get damaged during the transportation. So this will protect our LED modules. Okay, and we got these holes. These holes we designed here to place our power and signal wires, and we got bottom holes here as well. Okay, this is the structure of this series. If you got more questions, feel free to contact us. Okay. This LED cabinet is only 7.4 kilograms, and the thickness here you can see is 80 millimeters. So you can just carry it and install it really easy. It's gonna save your time and money. So after all the introductions, you may wonder why I didn't introduce the maintenance ways, because this fixed indoor LED display only support front maintenance. So the power supplies, LED modules, and the receiving cards, they can all remove in the front. Okay, feel free to contact us. Bye bye.